Hey there, health enthusiasts! Did you know that Mitolyn is currently one of the hottest supplements on the market, with thousands of people swearing by its benefits? But the big question is Mitolyn worth your money? Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our health tips and tricks. Alright, let's dive in. So, what exactly is Mitolyn? It's a dietary supplement designed to boost mitochondrial function, which is crucial for energy production, mental clarity, and overall vitality. Sounds pretty impressive, right? But, like with any supplement, there are some concerns. Some people are skeptical about its effectiveness, especially given the price tag. Is it just another health fad, or does it really deliver on its promises? First, let's talk ingredients. Mitolyn contains a blend of CoQ10, PQQ, and various B vitamins. These ingredients are known for their roles in energy production and cognitive function. There's some scientific evidence showing that CoQ10 and PQQ can support mitochondrial health, which is promising. Now, what do users say? Many testimonials praise Mitolyn for boosting their energy levels and improving mental clarity. However, there are also some mixed reviews. Some users didn't notice significant changes, which raises questions about its consistency. So, does Mitolyn truly deliver? Based on the ingredients and some positive testimonials, it seems to offer potential benefits for those looking to enhance their energy and cognitive function. However, it's important to remember that supplements can work differently for everyone. To sum it up, Mitolyn has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it's packed with ingredients that have scientific backing and many users report positive effects. On the downside, it's pricey and results can vary. My final verdict? If you're willing to invest and give it a try, Mitolyn might be worth the shot, especially if you're looking to boost your energy and mental clarity. But as always, it's essential to do your own research and maybe even consult with a healthcare professional. Ready to dive deeper? Discover more by clicking the link in the description. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments and check out another related video on my channel. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.